Guys, as you see, I'm taking off my mask right now. That's just because Grande Prairie is under smoke again. Now, I don't know if you guys remember last year there was like so many wildfires burning in Grande Prairie. Not in Grande Prairie, but in Alberta. And it affected Grande Prairie as well. Well, guess what? It has started again. So this morning we woke up and the entire city was engulfed underneath smoke. So it's now in the afternoon and it has not let up one bit. So even Nathan was supposed to go on the road today. She can't come out because her sinus is bothering her. I have to be wearing a mask. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around a little bit to show you guys what Grande Prairie is looking like at the moment. Guys, wildfire season is not a nice season. And if you guys are in Alberta, please be careful. Please be safe. And hopefully we have a better wildfire season this year than last year. I understand that Fort McMurray has evacuation order as well. Hope everybody over that side of Alberta is being safe. Protect yourself, protect your property the best way you can. Alright guys, see you guys on the road.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be.